Hey guys, it's Ed from TechSource and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your Samsung Galaxy J3 so you can use it with any GSM carrier in the world. For this demonstration, I'll be using my locked Galaxy J3 and unlock it so I can use it on my AT&T network, but it's the exact same process for any carrier on any country. So first off, we need to get the unlock code to start the unlocking process. The place where I get all my unlock codes is theunlockingcompany.com because they have the cheapest prices online and I get my codes much faster than other websites. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com and select your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list, and on the next page go ahead and select the country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it in the United States and the original carrier is AT&T. Before we continue, we need the IMEI number of the Galaxy J3, and the way you look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. Once you have that, go back on the website and enter that in, and once everything is filled out, select Get an Unlocking Code, and that will take you to the final screen where you have to check out. After checking out, they will email you the unlock code. The price and delivery time of your code varies by phone, but don't worry because as I said before, you are getting the cheapest price online with the fastest delivery times. So once you received your unlock code from the unlocking company, it's time to unlock your phone, so go ahead and pop open the back cover and remove the battery to gain access to the SIM tray. Next, you have to insert the SIM card you want to use with the phone. So I want to use the Galaxy J3 on my AT&T network, so I'm putting in my AT&T SIM card. Once the SIM card is inside, go ahead and put back the battery and the back cover and boot up your phone. Once the phone boots up, it will take you to the unlock screen, and this is where you enter the unlocking code that you received from the unlocking company. After inputting in the code, you will get a message stating that the unlock was successful, and it will take you straight to the home screen and your phone becomes permanently unlocked. As you can see, I'm using an AT&T Galaxy J3 on my T-Mobile network. Please note that some newer devices locked to US carriers are now remotely unlocked, so if it doesn't prompt for a code, don't worry because the unlocking company can still unlock it without any problems. So that's how you unlock your Galaxy J3 for any GSM carrier in the world. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.